Hi everybody, welcome to this nail art tutorial. Today we're just going to do some very simple daisies, just a nice simple flower that you can use on your client's nails to create a little bit of art and to give something a little bit different to their manicure or their pedicure. I've already prepared my tip here. I've got 2 coats of Graceful on there, which is a lovely sky blue colour. That has had 2 coats of glossing gel over the top of it, which I've buffed to remove the shine. I like to work on a matte surface, and I think particularly if you're quite new to nail art, it's always good to seal your colour first, remove your inhibition layer, and then do your design over the top, because if you do make a mistake or there's anything you don't like, you can always wipe it off and start again before you cure it, and you won't affect your colour underneath. So I'm going to use, to make my daisy, I'm going to use Wild, which is a lovely bright yellow colour. And I've also got Bride here, which is my white there, which will create my petals. So I always work with a little tile to the side of me. You can use tinfoil or something, just so as I've got my colour there ready for me to just keep dipping my brush into. I'm going to start off with a dotting tool. I've just got this artistic dotting tool here to create the centre of my daisy, so as I know what I'm working from. Okay, like that. I don't know if that's a bit blurry. There we go. And then I'm going to take a very thin brush. I like a 00 personally. But you just want a nice thin brush into your white. I'm just going to create very thin petals coming away from our yellow dot, working all the way round like so. So I've added a few extra daisies to my design. I'm just going to finish off this last one. For anybody who is worried about doing nail art, who is concerned about getting it right and they don't feel very arty, daisies are a really simple, effective, but very easy thing to start with, because you just need a thin brush and you just need to be able to just keep repeating a very soft stroking motion. And the beauty of the daisy is that it doesn't have to be too perfect, they don't all have to look the same. It's just a little stroking action to create the petals around a yellow dot. Now this one's going to go slightly off the nail, and I quite like it when patterns aren't exactly complete. You know, they're not all in the centre, it's not all too precise. There we go, and I'm going to cure that now for 30 seconds. So I've just added my glossing gel, which is my artistic top coat, to that, and cured for 30 seconds. And there is our finished design. Just very simple, very striking. You could have any base colour underneath it. You could add to it, you could add little bees to it or little diamonds as the centre. You can make it more complex if you wanted to, but it's a good place to start if you're just getting into nail art and you want to be able to do something quick and effective. Hope you've enjoyed the tutorial, and I'll see you again soon.